Apollo is excited to be celebrating 50 years of innovation. Here's a snapshot of what Apollo has brought to its markets over the decades. Born in 1972, Apollo was keen to offer industrial markets something different than its competitors. With a name inspired by the exciting NASA space program, Apollo began innovating and addressing customer and market needs. Economics was a great concern in the 1970s, and one of Apollo's first innovations was moisture-curing adhesives. These were more economical than traditional solvent-based adhesives. They are still popular within industrial and construction markets due to their weathering properties. In the 1980s, Apollo develops high-solid solvent-based adhesives to help customers improve efficiency and reduce waste. It also became the first adhesive manufacturer to meet ISO 9001 standards. With the rise of the service sector during this decade, Apollo was quickly recognizing that high levels of customer service was essential. Throughout the 1990s, concerns over the use of solvents was increasing. Apollo began responding to such trends by pioneering a sprayable, solvent-free two-part PU adhesive. It also introduces polyurethane coatings as a superior alternative for high-friction intersections, pedestrian crossings, and roundabouts. With the excitement of a new millennium, the first decade of the 2000s is known for its many innovations. Think smartphone. Apollo has a lot of enthusiasm during this decade too, especially with the launch of its innovative award-winning Fast-Tack adhesive, which helps to reduce solvent use and running costs for industrial markets. With environmental issues remaining a global issue, Apollo helps to ease its customers' concerns by becoming one of the first chemical manufacturers to gain the ISO 14001 accreditation. Excitingly, Apollo also adds polyurethane roof coatings to its portfolio, a new expansion in this market sector. Innovation was still moving at a fast pace during the second decade of the 2000s. Think about how streaming took off. Apollo also upped its innovation game. Its desire for market knowledge results in the launch of its specific market brands and brand promise, more than adhesives. This leads to the development of its canister range. In fact, it's the first adhesive manufacturer with the expertise to create a moisture-curing PU in a canister. These canisters revolutionize application techniques for the roofing market, resulting in cost savings and a reduction in solvent emissions of up to 75%. And once again, Apollo is the first adhesive manufacturer to conduct independent dynamic wind uplift tests for roofing adhesives and gain the revised ISO 9001, putting customer experience at its heart. As it enters the 2020s, Apollo tackles the impact of COVID with a focus on ensuring that it can support its customers. It quickly secures its supply chains and accelerates plans to digitalize customer communications. With the aim of sharing adhesive knowledge, it launches a new roofing website packed full of insightful blogs and videos, which enables customers to access information on their products with speed and convenience. Now, as part of the global and well-respected manufacturer H.B. Fuller, Apollo excitedly looks to the future. Its aim is to allow customers to thrive in a challenging and changing environment through fostering relationships and developing innovative product and service solutions.